Yep.
Hello. It's in a birdhouse. Keep it going. Is the camera in my Now keep this in mind. I'm probably gonna post this on YouTube. So wait so much.
That's right. Get the upper part.
I can't really.
There you go.
I gotta get down more. All right. Here we go. Let's get over here. Oh, Jesus.
There you go. Make sure there's no drips.
All right. Let's see. Is there any drips?
And do inside that hole.
There's one.
Do inside the bird hole.
All right, but Dad, I have to get here real quick.
Get inside there.
All right. I'm doing pretty good actually. So.
Okay. Can you paint inside that hole?
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, just put the. You don't need any more paint.
Alright, okay. Yeah, we really want to get this.
Go ahead, just put it. That's it. Keep going.
What am I?
Can you see it?
Wait, is the video still going?
Yeah, you got to get on this side of it.
Got it.
You got to move over to my or turn this. See.
Oh, you can turn it. Okay, thank you, Dad. You don't want to get that top. Watch.
Okay, now just paint over everything to get the runs out. Make sure there's no runs, okay?
Oh, it hit my head. Painting a birdhouse, everyone.
You don't need any more paint, bud. Go ahead, just wipe it off.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna get the sides. Even though I didn't complete that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start this side. Turn it like you said. It's kind of dark. Can you turn on the light or something? Is there another light?
You're doing good. You want a light on? Hold on.
Yeah, turn on the flash. Wait, let me see what it's like when it's on. Don't stop.